Hi friends, welcome back to Stockwood channel. Cafe Coffee Day was one of the most popular, profitable and a thriving food chain business in India in 2019 until its founder and CEO VG Siddharth died under critical circumstances with company left in huge debt of almost around 7,000 crores. The stock market reacted negatively for this news, with its stock tanking from the levels of around 350 to the levels of 14 in just 2 to 3 months. That was a fall of almost 96%. So in the next part of the video, I'll be covering about what happened to Cafe Coffee Day after this and what is the current status of the business in 2023. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, a humble request from my side to subscribe to this channel so that you can get regular updates about stock market. So without much delay, let's get started in this video. So then after 2019, the company was taken over by Siddharth's wife, Malavika, and the first steps she took was to dispose of some of the non-essential assets and renegotiate some of the debts. And also, she took major decision to close down some of the cafe coffee chains which was not profitable. So one of the asset that they sold was an IT park in Bangalore for an amount of around 2,000 crores, and also you can see some of the stores, almost around 280 stores, were shut down in just one single quarter. This actually has taken a lot of burden out of the company, and the company is currently looking profitable. To understand more about the current business about Coffee Day, let us look into the screener page. So Cafe Coffee Day or Coffee Day Enterprises has a market cap of around 900 crores currently, and also the ROCE and ROE in the current financial year is negative and is not promising. Also, the stock PE is not reflecting because the profitability of this company is still not positive and hence it is blank. But one of the most important thing that the investors has to see is its debt to equity, which is at a moderate 0.57, which is much lower than other QSR business like Devyani International, which is having a debt to equity of 1.61. So Devyani International is a company which runs restaurants like KFC and Pizza Hut. And also Jubilant Foodwork, which runs restaurants like Domino's, also has a debt to equity of 1.25. So compared to these kind of companies, Coffee Day Enterprises have a much lower debt to equity of 0.57. Further, if you see the price share of the company, it has started to recover from the levels of around 14 to 21 to the current levels of around 46. If you carefully see the quarterly results of Cafe Coffee Day, you can see that the company was posting negative profits in June of 2020 until March 22, and also in December 22, it posted a huge operating losses of around 350 crores. But after that, the company has started showing positive operating profits and also the net profits. If the information shared in the video is useful, humble request to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to come with more such videos and help the YouTube algorithm. And also in the annual report, the company has clearly mentioned that the debt levels of the company has reduced significantly from the levels of around 7,000 crores in March 2019 to the current levels of 1,898 crores, which is a positive signal for this company. So, with the company reducing debt and also turning positive, there are hopes that the company also will start increasing their sales to the levels of 4,000 or 3,800 as in March of 2018 and 19, with a good profit. So the catch here is the company has actually reduced the number of cafes in India from the levels of around 1,192 in 2019-20 to the levels of 495 currently. So that has almost reduced by half in the number of cafes in 2 years. And also, if you look into the annual report, there are no mention of further expansion of the number of cafes or services in the future. And also, if you see the business of Cafe Coffee Day in 2019, it was more of a monopoly with one of the major coffee houses in India. And also, if you see the business of Cafe Coffee Day in 2019, it was operating more like a monopoly and was generating a lot of revenue. But in the current scenario, what has happened is there are a lot of other companies that is coming up like Starbucks, Barista, Costa Coffee, which would actually erode the revenue of Cafe Coffee Day. So this was a short video about Cafe Coffee Day. This is just for an information based on your financial position and your risk appetite. You can take your own decision. Hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.